This lighting is making me look so white. I don't know. This is my normal skin tone, and then this is what it looks like. And this Zara pouch that I thrifted. I think it's really cute for all my touch-up makeup. So my mascara, eyelash curler, brow pencil, eyeliner, and some brushes. I feel like whenever I try to do my makeup, that's when it looks not as good. But when I'm in a rush, my makeup always looks so amazing. I want to start wearing light blue eyeshadow, and I feel like the blue adds like a little pop. But I'm also afraid that because my skin becomes really cool in the cooler seasons, it might look a bit too frosty. I feel like the light blue would complement me well in the summer as well. I get a little more melanin, just a little bit more. If I did more of an aquamarine blue, it would look really cute with my skin tone. Telescopic mascara. This is what the wand looks like. This hair situation, I might just spray it with something. Here's my outfit for today. And we got matches.
We're really gonna use this.
Right? I'm gonna put this inside.
I needed a new hair.
I need this for like the car or something. I just got back. I want to do another haul of what I got. This scrunchie. pouch with Velcro. I think I'm either going to put this in the pouch or use this pouch for a highlighter pouch or a makeup pouch. This is pretty cute for stationery and highlighters. I get this green polka dot on white wristlet. I already did an unboxing with my friend I made, Kayla. Shout out to Kayla. And shout out to Tris for an amazing flip with Tris, at least first swing workshop. And it was so fun just learning with all of that. I think pink might be the move, at least when it comes to beauty things. I have a lot of skincare, hand creams, and lip gloss that are pink. Pink bow, pink pouch, and pink scrunchie. It's green and white, which kind of matches my colors anyway, but I think the colors work together so well. I haven't had this much fun in a long time. I even made a friend. Like, I was so nervous going into this. I was so shy and I was like, oh no. As someone who hosts a lot of events, I'm usually the one behind the scenes and running everything, so it was fun to just be a part of the event. I had a really fun experience. So happy and grateful that I got to make a few friends and a few more crafts to bring home. It's okay to put yourself out there. It's okay to not know anyone in the room. It's okay to allow yourself to learn things. Oddly enough, I feel really confident in my ability to think creatively and learn new things. I don't always have to be the best or good at something right away. And it's important that you allow yourself to be in situations where you are supposed to learn. That's all that I have for this vlog, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!